Do you think you need a teleprompter for your video? I'm actually trying to figure that out for myself too. I built this DIY teleprompter to see how much I like using one before potentially committing to a more official one that costs around $100. Usually for a more casual video like this one, I would tell you to forget about the teleprompter. You don't need it. But for something more in-depth and official, like this filmmaking course I'm developing or a company-wide update, I would absolutely vote for the teleprompter. However, you can sometimes see the speaker's eye scanning as they read the script, and it does make people sound like they're reading, which is exactly what they're doing, right? In theory, it's not the end of the world, but when you watch it back, you'll very likely feel a disconnect between you as a viewer and the speaker. It's subtle, but it can affect how engaged and receptive an audience is. I'll do this next bit with and without a teleprompter, and you tell me if you feel a difference. If you look on Wikipedia, it'll say something like, film production is the process by which a motion picture is produced, which is true, but a little vague. What they mean is that film production is the process of making movies, TV shows, commercials, web series, and really any video you've seen. If you look on Wikipedia, it'll say something like, film production is the process by which a motion picture is produced, which is true, but a little vague. What they mean is that film production is the process of making movies, TV shows, commercials, web series, and really any video you've seen. Which do you think was which? Let me know in the comments. And while you think it over, I'll tell you my last thought on teleprompters. Most of the people I've interviewed in the past who've requested teleprompters never needed them in the first place. They ask for them because they think they have to memorize this whole speech about whatever topic we're discussing, but a good interview is really just a conversation. Plus, they know all the answers anyway, otherwise they wouldn't be getting interviewed. Back to the teleprompter test. The first example was without a teleprompter, the second one was with. Let me know what else you'd like to learn about. My name is Natalie Chau, and leave a comment if you learned something new.